Look at all these deer just waiting for me to feed them out. I've never been this close to a deer in my whole life. Not alive, huh? That deer's just back there eating away. Alright guys, that was super cool feeding out the deer down there, but the coffin pit awaits. Alright, I think I'm up to about 38 subscribers. I'm looking for 50 subscribers, and we're gonna cook a whole animal live on this thing. So where are my subscribers at? Remember, like, share, subscribe. Staying alive, staying alive. Like, share, subscribe. Staying alive. Peace out, YouTube. Rock on.